Then the same again, rub out the lines that we don't need. Divide them in two again. Okay, and then the same thing with to the vanishing point. You're going to get to the point with the ones at the back where they're so close together that it's just going to look like a big blur, so you might as well colour it in black when you get to the very end and then inside the tunnel. So don't worry too much about the ones at the back at this stage. Let's just try and get the front looking realistic now. So front there and there. And there. And there. There. And I'll just colour it in black at the back. And then rub out some of my lines. I'll just do this one more time so that the front looks realistic, and then we'll move on to the rest of it. So crosses in those, lines to the vanishing point. And fill in the track. And then at this stage the back might as well be completely black. Okay, so hopefully that looks kind of realistic in terms of perspective, rather than just measuring distances. Just delete the things I don't need. Okay, moving on, I'm going to make a tunnel now, and that tunnel is just basically going to be a block. So I'm going to start with a rectangle that is going to be the front of the tunnel. So I'll make two lines that the bottom and the top of the tunnel is going to go at, two vertical lines for the sides of the tunnel, and then two more vertical lines and a horizontal line. Now really, if I was being more thorough with this, I would use some more diagonals to make the left and the right hand side of the tunnel look the same size. So I've been a bit lazy in just drawing them on. Then you can watch it again on the video. But we're basically making a rectangle that the tunnel is going to go in. And then the tunnel itself. So that's the front of a tunnel. And then I'll just get rid of some lines that I don't need anymore. Those red guiding lines. And what I'll do is I'll make it easy for myself by making the tunnel disappear all the way to the vanishing point into the distance. And then I'll start colouring it in. So let's make, what colour shall I make it? Purple, alright. So I'll make it purple at the front. Okay, so that's not the most brilliant colouring in the world, but it'll do. And now I'm going to make a train. And the train is going to be a big block coming out of that tunnel. So I'll start by making the front. So two lines to the vanishing point there, and then two vertical lines just about where the sides of the track are, and that's going to be the front of our train. Well, half of it's in the tunnel, isn't it? So go and see. And then over to the other vanishing point for the length of the train.